Sofia, and welcome to Learn Crypto's Extra Learning video series. Today, we're exploring the exciting innovations that have transformed cryptocurrency wallets over time. Let's dive in. In the early days of cryptocurrency, wallets were basic software applications. They allowed users to generate public and private keys, but they lacked advanced features. Security was a major concern, and users needed to be extremely cautious. As cryptocurrencies gained popularity, mobile wallets emerged. These apps made it easier for users to manage their crypto on the go. They provided a more user-friendly experience and became a convenient option for everyday transactions. Then came the game changer: hardware wallets. These physical devices offered an unparalleled level of security by keeping your private keys offline. They quickly became the gold standard for protecting your crypto assets. Multi-signature wallets became another innovation. These wallets require multiple signatures or keys to authorize a transaction. They're often used by businesses and organizations to enhance security. Surprisingly, paper wallets made a comeback. They are offline storage solutions where you print your keys on paper. While not as convenient as digital wallets, they're still considered one of the most secure options. It's also important to be wary that paper wallets bring their own risks of physical damage and misplacement. Web wallets continued to evolve, offering a balance between security and convenience. They became more user-friendly and integrated with various exchanges and services, making them popular among traders. Mobile wallets continued to innovate as well. Some introduced biometric authentication, like fingerprint or facial recognition, adding an extra level of security. DeFi, or decentralized finance wallets, entered the scene, providing users with control over their funds without relying on centralized bodies. These wallets allowed users to access various DeFi protocols and yield farming. So what's next? The future holds even more exciting innovations. We can expect advancements in quantum-resistant wallets, which provide safeguards against the world's most powerful computers. We can also expect integration with decentralized identity solutions in an effort to continue enhancing user privacy. To wrap it up, cryptocurrency wallets have come a long way from their humble beginnings. With each innovation, they've become more secure and user-friendly. As the crypto space continues to evolve, so will our wallets. Stay tuned for what the future holds. And if you're finding this journey through the timeline of cryptocurrency wallets as fascinating as we do, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Learn Crypto for more educational content on cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Want to learn more? Then head to the Learn Crypto Academy and take the Getting to Know Cryptocurrency, a Beginner's Guide course. Thanks for watching.